Important question. What's the other name of mini computer? So that mini computer are also called work station. Work stations. Okay, students? Yes. So mini computer were introduced in 1960 and they are relatively low cost and small, and mini computers are also called work station. Okay, and they are most likely to be used in universities and industries and polytechnic. Okay, student? Yeah. So what's the example and other name of mini computer? So PDP-11 and VAX-11 upon 780 are the example of mini computer. So what is the example of mini computer? So that's PDP-11 and VAX-11 by 780. Okay, student? Clear? PDP-11 and VAX-11 780, and the mini computer are also called work station. Clear? About the mini computer. And your next very popular computer in this time by according to size, microcomputer. Yes, student. Microcomputer. So you know where, student, about the microcomputer. So microcomputer today, nowadays, you know, we are used the microcomputer. Okay, yes, laptop and desktop computer comes in the microcomputer section. Okay, yes, student. So microcomputers often called PC. You know, PC, that means personal computer. Okay, so microcomputer, often called PC, are the smallest computer and most likely to be found on our desk, tables, offices and everywhere, and your school lab also. Okay, student? Yes. So that's microcomputer in the lab. So that's PC. So microcomputer, often called PC, so are the smallest computer most likely to be found on your desk, tables and everywhere. Okay, student? So it is designed for single user. Okay, so microcomputer use only one user at a time. Okay, yes, so it designed for a single user with multitude of various types of tasks. So the main parts of computer is the microprocessor. The main parts of this computer is microprocessor. So microprocessor is a main part. Okay, student, and which is also called its brain. Okay, this is the brain of microcomputer. Okay, and the microcomputer were first invented by IBM. Okay, so this machine invented by student, that means किसने बनाया. ओके, यस. सो IBM, किसने इसकी खोज की? सो IBM, इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस मशीन कॉरपोरेशन. ओके स्टूडेंट, यस. सो इंटर इज ए फुल फॉर्म ऑफ IBM, International Business Machine. Okay, this is a full form of IBM. So the microcomputer were first invented by IBM Corporation. Okay, student, and microcomputers. So that's microcomputer are the most visible form of computer in the present world. Okay, yes, we say first also. So microcomputer are the most visible form the computer in the present world, and the desktop, laptop and handheld computer are the example of microcomputer. Desktop, laptop, handheld computers. Okay, so that's example of microcomputer. Okay students, so complete your section according to size computer. Okay, so in this section according to size we read about the 4 type computer. Okay, first supercomputer, and then mainframe computer, and your third mini computer, and your fourth microcomputer. Okay student, yes. So microcomputer, that means PC often called. Okay, and the main part of microcomputer processor, and this microcomputer invented by the IBM Corporation, and the example of microcomputer, desktop, laptop, handheld computer. Okay student, yes. So not too much topic related to the according to size. So please read and learn with example. Okay, about the according to size supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer. Okay student, So in the next class we will discuss about the according to size. Okay, because classification of computer, so two types, according to size and according to purpose. So your according to size completed, and in the next class we will discuss and cover and read about the according to purpose. Okay student, thank you so much.